Welcome to Kolkata. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. West Bengal is the most attractive state of Eastern India by its culture, heritage, education and loving people. Now we are standing in front of Howrah Bridge. It is the busiest cantilever bridge in the world and it is the 6th longest too. It not only connects one 500-year-old city Howrah with Kolkata, but it is a living witness of innumerable historical moments of Bengal. By the gift of the nature, surprisingly, West Bengal has mountain, river, forest, sea all together. In a single word, it has a unity in diversity. We have the Queen of Hill Station, Darjeeling. Kalimpong, Karshiang, Tea Garden, Kanchenjunga. In Bishnupur district, we have the best form of art and culture and architecture, terracotta art. In Birbhum, we have Shantiniketan, Vishwabharati. In South Bengal, we have the world's largest delta, Sundarban forest. The great sea beach, Digha, Mandarmoni, Shankarpur. Once upon a time, Kolkata, then known as Calcutta, was the capital of British India. Kolkata has been nicknamed the City of Palaces and also the City of Joy. Let's take a quick visit to some eminent and popular places of Kolkata and also few districts of West Bengal in a very short span. Victoria Memorial was Lord Curzon's brainchild as a memorial to the Empress of India and Queen of the United Kingdom, Queen Victoria. After her death in 1901, the Victoria Memorial was modelled on the Taj Mahal and was commissioned in 1906. Opened to the public in 1921, it was designed by the architects at the extraordinary cost of Rs 10.5 million, all of which was collected as voluntary donations, mostly from British and Indian nobility. Indian Museum. The Indian Museum is the largest museum in Asia and the oldest, like 200 years old, in Asia Pacific region. It houses perhaps the greatest collection of Indian natural history and Indian art. Birla Industrial and Technological Museum was the first popular science museum in Asia. Modelled on the Dutes Museum, National Library of India is India's leading public library. It was inaugurated in 1836 by the Governor General Lord Metcalfe. The Jorashoko Thakurbari is the ancestral home of the Tagore family and was converted into a museum in 1961. The huge sprawling big mansion was the cultural hub of Kolkata for close to a century and was a major force in the women's liberation movement. It hosted the first Brahmo wedding and was an important center in the independence movement. The museum has three large galleries. One on the life and works of Rabindranath, a second gallery about his close relatives such as his father Debendranath Thakur, Abanindranath Thakur, Gaganendranath Thakur and others, and a third gallery on the Bengal Renaissance in general. The other popular Kolkata libraries include Ramakrishna Mission Library, maintained by the Ramakrishna Mission Kolkata, which is a special children's section. Writers Building is the Secretariat building of the State Government of West Bengal. Till recently, it was the office of the Chief Minister of West Bengal. The Writers Building originally served as the office for writers of the British East India, hence the name. It is a house of great political significance and memories of the Indian independence movement. Calcutta High Court is the oldest High Court in India. It was established as a High Court on 1st July 1862 under the High Court Act 1861. Town Hall was built by the architect Colonel John Garstin in 1813 in Roman Doric style with a fund of rupees 7 lakhs raised from the lottery to provide the Europeans with a palace for social gathering. This is the ancestral home of Swami Vivekananda at Sri Gurmohan Mukherjee Street in Kolkata, the capital of British India. This is now converted into a museum and a cultural center. Netaji Bhavan is a memorial hall of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose in Kolkata, owned and managed by Netaji Research Bureau. The Kolkata Maidan has nurtured sports like football, cricket and rugby in Kolkata. It houses numerous clubs including the big three of Indian football, Mohun Bagan Athletic Club, East Bengal Football Club and Mohammedan Sporting Club, along with their respective home stadiums. Eden Garden is a cricket ground in Kolkata. It is the largest cricket stadium in India in seating capacity. Yuva Bharati Kridangan, commonly known as Salt Lake Stadium, is a multi-purpose stadium in Kolkata. This stadium is the second largest non-auto racing stadium in the world and the largest in the Indian subcontinent. It can hold 1,20,000 people. Durga Puja is the greatest festival of Bengalis, and Kumatuli is the world famous center of creative arts for making these idols. Kolkata is also famous for its religious places. The temple of Kalighat is regarded as one of the 51 Shakti Pithas of India. Kalighat temple is about 200 years old. Dakshineshwar temple is also famous for Sri Ramakrishna, the renowned spiritual personality. This 19th century complex with 12 temples is a major religious site for devotees of Shiva, Kali, Radha and Krishna. It was established by Rani Rashmani in 1847. Belur Math is located on the bank of River Hooghly. It was built in 1888. Belur Math is well known for its tranquil beauty. It is the international headquarters of the Ramakrishna Mission, which was established by Swami Vivekananda in loving memory of his mentor, Sri Ramakrishna Paramhamsa. College Street and Coffee House. Kolkata publishes the largest number of little magazines in India. Bengali thrives on literature, and College Street is the major arterial road of Bengali literature. Nandan, Academy of Fine Arts, and Rabindra Sadan. These three are the cultural heart of Bengalis. New Market. It was built by British in 1874. It is the mother of all shopping malls in India. India's first underground metro started in Kolkata in the year 1985. This is the lifeline of Kolkata. Rajarhat. This is the IT hub and the future destination of Kolkata. This is Science City, the largest science center in the Indian subcontinent under the National Council of Science Museum. It has the Dynamotion Hall where you can enjoy the effect of illusion, Evolution Park, Space Theatre, Time Machine, and this is the Convention Center, having a grand theatre with more than 2,000 seating capacity. On behalf of entire Team Maxicon 2015, I invite you all on the 9th April 2015 in Kolkata. Please come.